Hello friends. So in this video, what we are going to discuss, in the last video we have discussed that we can instantiate or we can give the name and we can give the values of the object whenever we are making an object of a class. Now there are certain situations where there are more arguments than two, three, or four arguments. There are number of arguments which we will encounter in our Android Studio when we are programming there. For example, here in this text widget, we have one means by default we have called the constructor, and this constructor in this constructor we have passed the string my first app. But there are so many other uh, you can say arguments which we haven't passed, and in this case we use the name argument concept. And name argument concept is like this: we don't need to remember the sequence of the you can say these arguments. We can we can now these are name arguments, and we can now use it like this. We can pass this name is this, and as roll number this, and in another case we can pass the roll number first, and name uh, say it is Tina. So this is possible in case of name arguments, but previously it was not possible. If we run this thing, you can see these things are we are getting these things without any problem. And one thing means there may be case where we have 100 or 30 or 40 different arguments, and we don't need to pass all the arguments. So it is also optional. We don't If we don't pass the roll number, if we don't want to pass the roll number here, we can definitely skip that thing. But from here we have to, or we can give a default roll number to everyone if we skip that roll number thing. So it is automatically the Jonathan will get roll number as 230. So you can see that Jonathan roll number is by default it is comes to 230. So you can find two very useful thing here. In case of name argument, we don't need to remember the sequence of the arguments. We can use the name and then pass the value of that thing. And there is a shortcut to means mostly we will do these things. There is a shortcut to pass the argument value to these variables. Just use this keyword, and this will automatically give pass these values directly to these variables. This is what told the you can say compiler that the variable the variable which is mentioned here is this variable. And if we run the same thing here, it will give us the same value. Just change it to this. Wait, so I have forget to delete this thing. Just add a semicolon, and this is the shortcut where we don't need to write the body of the constructor. Here the value, whatever value you pass to this thing, it will directly go to these variable. Just use the word this and name of the variable as same in this case. And when you run this thing, sorry, I have used this s name. In place of s name I have to use name, and in place of roll number I have to use roll number. So go once again, and now you can see when means this is the shortcut for initiating the values using a constructor. See you in the next before ending this video, I can give you a real example in my Android Studio. This is a named argument inside the material app. This is a home, and you can clearly see I am using this name and then the colon thing, and here I am home and then the colon thing, and then the argument value. And this is the constructor part, text, and inside the text class, this is the constructor which I am using. See you in the next video, friends.